Menteri jangka Sarkar Pedeng Kabadipet Yakatanat Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman mentah kesengi arpo terik ujeliu arpo arpunriu kelawan hiar West Jaiñtia Hills hakasian kebeningkong ban plie surok juwai nartiang kediap Khanduli ha ke jingjrong kaba sanpu kandai pon kandai spa sanpusan kilometer ya kaba lebih pisa daga New Development Bank ha ke jinglut kaba sanpu kandai pon saupu prakulur tingka hamadan yele kai Wahiajer Multi Sports Complex Stadium Wahiajer. Hagen igasngi lawan senran lang ya ke Menteri Sarkar daga jingdan lang Chief Secretary ke Jela u Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed IAS usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela u Masniaw Bahalang Dhar u Menteri Kakwat Kakhia ma Wailat Miki Shilla u Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi u Malakaman Rambui u D. Vijay Kumar IAS Commissioner and Secretary Planning Finance Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Kakong Santa Mary Shilla ki MDC Kathan Nalor Kiwei de. Nakaliang umasnya Bahalang Dhar ula penpau ke jing sngongu halor ke jingwan jengo jangka menteri bat ula ai ke jingero ya ke jingno senyang jangka kum ke menteri pelatingka jangka ri India bat daka ba penpau ba ke Jela Meghalaya kalayo jing mentoi syubun hapo ke jingya lam jangka ula ke dau ya ke jingte ya ke madan ya lek kai Wahiajer Multiple Sports Complex Stadium lengba ke jingbei pisa jangka Sarkar Pedeng kum ke nuksa bakong san jangka roi ke par jangka Jela. Hagani kesngi nakaliang ke Nirmala Sitharaman kalayo alat banyak keren bat kisamla puli jangka kiang nangba Government College Chawai dakaba ai jubab ke jingkili jangki samla puli haki babuan kiliang haki jukapor kala penslur ki samla puli bandan kathong nakabenta kalawe jangka rihi barok kowe. Nang ne ke menteri kalalet ya kenduru ya ki kena ya lek kai football ka Wahiajer Center hakatehi kamadan. Na Wahiajer ke Nirmala Sitharaman kalalet jengok ru ya ke jaka lek niam ki Hindu ke Temple Shri Ma Jayanti nang ta kalalet jengok ya ki mau bena shanam monoliths ki badan ha ke shnong nartiang ha ke baladan ke jingpen inam ya ki marrep tenrai ki bapen mi na po ke nehi ke than da ka balet jengok ru ya ki stall bat ke jing ai jing batai na ki nong shna bat ki nong rem.
This is the technique of using the hands and yoga techno. This is the only things that we use. This is the
name is Samha Kesari. And who do you want to be like?
All member friends seen today.
And? Yes, ma'am. And you?
And to our respected person present here. So, my name is John Jefferson Sinha from the Department of Commerce on 6th semester. So, I would like to ask you, ma'am, what challenges did you face in your early career and how did you overcome them?
Minister Ma'am, the other dignitaries, and to everyone who is present here. My name is Wansao Kapasi, currently pursuing my bachelor's in physics. It is such an honor to meet you, ma'am. Thank you for the time to interact with us. So my question is, what do you think is the most valuable skills for the young people over the next 10 years?
Coming up with so many futuristic opportunities and so on. Today, the biological sciences are immensely contributing to the complex fabric of a development.
An Education Minister, under his leadership, we have seen that the education sector in the state of Wahiajer is really moving ahead in a very, very right direction, sir. Thank you so much. And our Chief Secretary, who is always present around us, around people of the state in every occasion. Thank you so much, Amanji. And also, I would like to thank Vijay Kumar, who is one of the officers of the government, is a man of the people. And also our deputy commissioners, SP, and all the others, officials from the directorate levels, from different departments, government of Meghalaya, and the officials from the districts, administrations, especially our beloved students from jngoh College who are here, and Consanta Mary, Honorable MLAs, CM, MDCs,